Have you ever studied English for a long time, learned many words, maybe even watched movies in English? But when someone asks, "Can you introduce yourself?" you suddenly feel nervous?
Oh, I know that feeling. Someone asks me, "Tell me about yourself," and suddenly my brain just stops working.
That happens to many English learners. You understand a lot of English, but when it's time to speak, the pressure makes everything harder.
Yes, I know my name, I know where I'm from, but in that moment I start thinking too much.
If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today we're going to practice something very important: introducing yourself in English.
And we're gonna keep it simple.
You'll hear natural phrases people use in real life when meeting someone for the first time.
No complicated explanations.
Just a relaxed conversation you can follow and practice with.
Hi everyone, by the way, I'm Leo,
And I'm Anna,
and this is the English Talk channel.
where we practice real English conversations to help you feel more confident speaking.
If you enjoy learning English this way, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
All right, Leo, let's start with the most common situation.
Meeting someone for the first time.
Right, maybe at work, at school, or even at a friend's party.
Okay, let's imagine that situation.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi Anna, I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
That's the most basic introduction in English.
So the key phrase here is, "Hi, I'm Leo."
That's right.
So instead of saying, "My name is Leo," we usually say, "I'm Leo."
Yes, both are correct, but I'm Leo sounds more relaxed and natural in conversations.
I hear that a lot when people meet.
You'll notice it everywhere.
So someone might say, "Hi, I'm David."
Or, hi, I'm Maria.
Or, "Hi, I'm Kevin."
Exactly.
And then people often say, "Nice to meet you."
Yes, that's a very friendly phrase.
Nice to meet you.
You say it when meeting someone for the first time.
So the conversation becomes, "Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you."
That's perfect.
It already sounds like a real conversation.
Because it is.
Sometimes I feel nervous even with simple sentences like that.
That's normal. When you feel pressure, even easy things can feel difficult.
Especially when people are looking at you and waiting for you to speak.
Exactly. But remember, introductions don't have to be long or complicated.
That's good to hear.
Let's add one more sentence. After your name, people often say where they're from.
Right, that comes up very often.
For example, hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada.
So I could say, "Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil."
That sounds great.
I'm from Brazil.
Yes,
Very short sentence.
short sentences are powerful.
Sometimes learners think they need big sentences to sound fluent.
But that's not true.
So just saying, "I'm from Brazil," is completely natural.
Absolutely.
Let me try the full introduction again. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil.
That sounds very natural.
It actually feels easier when I say it out loud.
Speaking out loud helps a lot.
Sometimes when I only think in my head, everything feels harder.
That's because speaking is a skill you improve by practicing out loud.
That makes sense.
Now let's add another part to the introduction.
Okay.
After your name and where you're from, people often talk about what they do.
Their job, right?
Exactly. For example, hi, I'm Anna, I'm from Canada, and I work in marketing.
I work in marketing.
Yes,
So I could say, "Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil, and I work in IT."
that sounds perfect.
I work in IT.
That's a very common way to talk about your job.
What if someone is a student?
Then they can say, I'm a student.
I'm a student.
Or they can say, I'm studying English.
I like that phrase.
It's very common among English learners.
Let me try again. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil, and I'm studying English.
That sounds great.
I think that's something many people watching this video could say.
Definitely.
Sometimes I worry about making mistakes when introducing myself,
That's a common fear.
because the introduction is the first thing people hear.
True, but people usually care more about communication than perfection.
So it's okay if the sentence isn't perfect?
Of course, the goal is to communicate.
That's reassuring.
Let's imagine another situation.
All right.
You start a new job and you meet your team.
Oh, that situation makes me nervous.
A lot of people feel that way.
Everyone already knows each other and I'm the new person.
Exactly. In that case, you can say something simple like this. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. I just started working here.
I just started working here.
Yes,
That means you're new at the company.
that's right.
Let me try. Hi everyone, I'm Leo. I just joined the team.
That's a great sentence.
I just joined the team. People say that very often in workplaces.
It sounds friendly and professional.
Exactly. Sometimes when I'm nervous, I start speaking too fast.
That happens to many learners.
I want to finish quickly.
Here's a small tip. Slow down.
Slow down.
Pause between sentences.
So something like, Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil. I work in IT.
That sounds confident and clear
It actually feels more comfortable.
because you're giving your brain time to think.
Good point.
Now, let's imagine another situation.
Which one?
You're in an English class.
Oh, yes. Teachers love asking students to introduce themselves.
They do.
Everyone goes one by one.
Exactly. In that situation, you could say, Hi everyone, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada, and I'm here to improve my English.
I'm here to improve my English.
Yes,
So that explains why you are there.
correct.
Let me try. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil, and I'm here to practice speaking.
That sounds very natural.
I like that phrase, practice speaking.
Many English learners use it.
Sometimes I also want to say something about my hobbies.
That's a great idea.
It makes the introduction more personal.
Exactly. For example, I like traveling,
I like traveling.
or I enjoy cooking,
I enjoy cooking.
or I love watching movies.
That's definitely me.
Then your introduction becomes a little more interesting.
Let me try a full example. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil. I work in IT, and I love watching movies.
That sounds very natural.
And it's not very long,
Exactly.
just a few sentences.
And those sentences are enough to start a conversation.
That's true.
And by the way, if this conversation is helping you feel more confident speaking English, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
It really helps other learners find these lessons.
All right, Leo, let's practice one more situation.
Okay?
Online meetings.
Ah, yes. Those happen a lot now.
At the beginning of a meeting, someone might say, Let's quickly introduce ourselves.
I've heard that many times.
So you could say something like, Hi everyone, I'm Anna. I work with the marketing team.
I work with the marketing team.
Yes,
That means you are part of that department.
exactly.
Let me try. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. I work with the technology team.
That sounds great.
This kind of introduction feels very professional,
It does.
but still simple.
Simplicity is often the key to clear communication.
I'm starting to notice that.
Good.
Before this conversation, introductions felt stressful.
And now?
Now they feel manageable.
That's the goal.
Just a few simple sentences.
Exactly.
All right, Anna, maybe we should quickly review what we practiced today.
Good idea.
First, the basic phrase. Hi, I'm Leo.
Then we added where you're from.
I'm from Brazil.
Then your job or activity.
I work in IT.
Or you could say, I'm studying English.
Then we added something personal.
Like a hobby.
I love watching movies.
So the full introduction becomes, "Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil. I work in IT, and I love watching movies."
That sounds like a real conversation starter.
It does.
And it only takes a few seconds.
Exactly.
I feel much more comfortable introducing myself now.
That's great to hear.
Practice really makes a difference.
It does.
And remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just clear communication.
Speak slowly
Use simple sentences.
and keep practicing.
All right, everyone, now we'd love to hear from you.
Introduce yourself in the comments,
Tell us your name
where you're from.
and something you enjoy doing.
Keep it simple.
The goal is to practice speaking.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident introducing yourself in English.
Keep speaking,
Keep practicing.
and we'll see you next time on the English Talk channel.
Take care.